Okay, so I decided to model this particular bridesmaid fascinator for all of us to see. And the beauty of this design is that it costs just 2,000 naira to make. So yes, this is what I have to say about this design. It's not something that would enjoy your eye. It's so nice. It's very easy to wear. The feathers sprouting out, which is an optional thing. If you don't want the feathers, you don't have to put it there. So the feathers sprouting out also give the headpiece essence. The flower sitting pretty on it makes it look so exquisite. And also the fact that it's so free, you don't have to be struggling with the crinoline entering into your eyes, makes it a pretty design that can be worn by all, and it can be worn for the bridesmaids throughout the wedding party. So tell me, are you going to up on this design and also recommend it for your customers that love to have something nice at a budget friendly rate?